Today we're going to be exploring Florida's Nature Coast, which is the part of the Gulf Coast that's immediately north of the Tampa metro area. So we're going to be starting out from Kenansville and then driving there. Should be about a 3.5 hour drive to Horseshoe Beach. And I've heard there's no beach there, but we'll see. But it's supposed to have nice views of the Gulf of Mexico. And then we're going to head south from there and explore a lot of the places along the Nature Coast, heading towards Tampa. All right, it's getting light out. Time to get on the road. We're about 15 miles away from our destination of Horseshoe Beach now. And it's pretty natural around here. We just passed Cross City. It's probably the last sign of civilization we'll see until we get to the beach. I made it to Horseshoe Beach, and I'm looking at the Gulf of Mexico over there. I'll turn the camera around. Got some swamp, and then you got the Gulf out there. Zoom in a little bit. There you can see the Gulf. And most of the ride in here for the last 20 minutes or so has been, well, I want to say natural because it's a lot of trees, but it's a lot of tree farms, and I'll take a walk through one of those later with you. But here we are, Horseshoe Beach, Florida's last frontier. So now we're at the end of Main Street, Horseshoe Beach, which ends at the Gulf. Go there. There's an island of rocks. Some people fishing. There's my car. There's some private property and a house. Most of the houses in this town are up on stilts. Probably floods pretty bad during hurricanes. This is Horseshoe Beach. Horseshoe Beach wildlife. Look at that, there's a boat out of water here. That's my stereo with a mind of its own. Well, I pulled over here, and again, this is at a boat landing here at the Gulf of Mexico and Horseshoe Beach. And I pulled over because I think I've found the beach. There is, in fact, a beach at Horseshoe Beach. And I have found the beach at Horseshoe Beach. Don't let them tell you there's no beach at Horseshoe Beach. A lot of nice houses here along the Gulf too. Again, all up on stilts. Like those colorful chairs over there. Next stop is the Lily Creek General Store. Also looks like a gas station. There's the gas pump. Let's see what they got inside. Interesting cross flag. Some nice separation of church and state there. Got the beer department, restaurant and seating area, the beef jerky department, and a Christmas tree. So a little further up the road away from Horseshoe Beach, Here's an example of a tree farm. These are all young trees that have a long time to go before they're going to get harvested. And you'll just see lots and lots of these tree farms. A lot on the panhandle of Florida too, and a lot in southern Georgia as well. All in different stages. So this one's a young one, and down the road there'll be older ones that are all planted in lines, and you'll see how they grew. It's neat to look down, and you can see for a long time down there. Here's a more mature portion of the tree farm, or of a tree farm that's just up the road from the other one we stopped at. See how the trees are all planted in lines, and a lot of them have been harvested here. Farm equipment. Walk out over there. It's Saturday, so there shouldn't be any activity here really. And there it is, a man-made forest. See down the lines there, they're just planted all in a row. There was a station down the road for Florida's Department of Agriculture as well. Here we are on the banks of the Suwannee River. Stop here for a second. Got some horses. But allegedly, a quarter mile up this dirt road is going to be what's the name of it?
Suwannee Belle Landing Restaurant.
Suwannee Belle Landing Restaurant. Could be it up there. Some houses. The river is to the left of us. Still in Dixie County here.
You have arrived.
We've arrived. Oh, we sure have. Wasn't expecting to see that there. We also arrived here at the Suwannee River. Look at that. Out of the car now. Before we go in the restaurant, let's have a look at the river here. We'll see more of this today, but it'd be nice to get out on a boat on the river today, but I don't know if the marina in Suwannee has any, if they'll let you do that. Go. There it is, the Suwannee River. And there's a bar in here too. Upstairs is the restaurant. Nice view of the Suwannee River. So I ordered the Cedar Key clams with linguine because one of our next stops today is going to be Cedar Key. Nice view from our table here. Here we are in the town of Suwannee.
Southeast 906th Avenue.
A dog.
Turn right onto Southeast 217th Street.
Suwannee River meets the Gulf.
Turn right onto Southeast 217th Street, then turn left onto Southeast 909th Avenue.
This is the end of the road to Suwannee. Not too much here. Mostly residential. There was a restaurant. We already ate, of course. Get some boats going by. This will be the Suwannee River Delta. So I guess our next stop will be Cedar Key. That's the town's restaurant, the Salt Creek Shellfish Company. So I made a stop on the way to Cedar Key because I saw a nice building. And it's the Old Town School. There's another Old Town School across the street that looks like it's functioning, but this is home to the Dixie County Historical Society. Nice historic building. It looks like over here they got a historic marker. Old Town School. On April 1st, 1899, Orrin Y. Felton and his wife Lily F. Felton gave the deed to the Board of Public Instruction for Old Town School. The top floor contains a 2-louvered door dormer. The dormer and high windows were the only means of ventilation. The Dixie County Historical Society uses this building, now known as the Dixie County Cultural Center, as an office, museum of local artifacts, and library. Let's just get a little bit of a closer look. It's a Saturday, so I don't think they'll be open, but Old Town School. There it is. Can I anchor? Some other artifacts. Well, that's the Old Town School. Our first stop in the Cedar Key area is at the Marine Research Center. They've got a really nice view of the swamp. That was a great egret. And over there we got some kind of gull. Also flying away. Now we're at Cedar Key proper. Behind me is the marina, and ahead of me is the main drag, the main downtown street of Cedar Key. We're just going to take a walk around. Looks like some nice old buildings, some shops, some art stores, bars and restaurants. That's kind of neat. Hotel, welcome center, cafe. Some Christmas decorations here. Snowman. Not likely to see any snow here. This is it, downtown Cedar Key. There's a nice Cedar Key greetings from Cedar Key mural. Gallery and gifts. There's a fisherman. Some bikers. City Hall coming up. Nice little island town. There's the City Hall. Some nice architecture, even if it's in need of some repairs. Nice little town. Well, that's Cedar Key. What they got outside the art store. It's a Christmas manatee. I bet you've never seen a Christmas manatee before. Look at that. The Christmas manatee. The Cedar Key Christmas manatee. Before we head to Crystal River, this is the view of the Gulf from Cedar Key. It's really nice. Alright, we've reached our final destination, daylight destination here, and that is Crystal River, home of the manatee. And this is sunset. We get something to eat. Yeah, Crystal River. Citrus County, Florida. Sunset. There's also a nice little river walk here too along the river, and it looked like in downtown it looks like there's lots of nice restaurants and places to eat. Okay, I just saw a dolphin. So it came up once, it's going to come up again. No, it was a dolphin. I saw a dolphin. The sun is down now. Come on, dolphin. Come back up for a second. I think that was a fish jumping there. Not a dolphin though. There's the anhinga down here. Some wildlife on the Nature Coast. Still didn't catch the dolphin, but Mom spotted a manatee. Where is it? Was it close to the dock? Well, I saw a dolphin and I saw a manatee, but I couldn't get either in my video, unfortunately. Time to eat. Here is the Crystal River Christmas tree. It's got the park decorated nice. Fountains. And I guess that's where we're gonna eat. So we're going for Morton's Riverside.